pointing at it, kinda sorta. Morning, everyone. I've been filming in the last couple days. Just been kind of helping out my mom and stuff, and we went shopping downtown Victoria one day too. But today, we're heading to Chemainus. It's a cute little town. I've never been there before. My girlfriend hasn't been there, so it should be fun. So I'll see you later. Thanks. Bye. Hey everyone, we're at Chemainus, old logging town. There's a bunch of murals around. We're gonna go check it out, check out some stores. Should be fun. Should be fun. What? That looks like I don't know what that is. That was kind of crazy. It was like a camper garbage truck. I don't know what the heck it was. That was weird. I wish I could have got that, but I missed it before I even saw it. Hey, let's go check out the visitor information, see what. Look at this view. Awesome. I think we're gonna go check out some more mules. We just stopped for a little bit of a break and we're gonna get going. Hey everyone, we're done walking around for a bit. We're just gonna have some lunch. Delicious lunchio off the back of the truck because it's the right thing to do until someone gets mad at us because we're taking up a parking spot. Maybe not. Sorta. There, that'll work. There. All right. Another amazing lunch by my girlfriend. Good. Now it's time to find some ice cream because it is a beautiful day and we need ice cream. There's a 2 for ice cream. Let's go see what kind of flavors we get. Whew! It is nice and cool in here. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna eat this because I need both hands. It was pretty good ice cream, but I think they were a little bit on the chintzy
They were
side.
a little chintzy.
A little? You don't go anywhere else, you get yourself a, you know, ice cream cone anywhere else, and you get an ice cream cone.
Yeah.
Well, here we go. Alright, everyone. That was good ice cream.
Yeah.
It was a fun day.
I got to try new flavor.
We are off to Mill Bay because I think we're going to take the ferry over to Brentwood Bay and kind of take a scenic tour. I think it'll be fun. What do we pay for the ferry? Well, that's a bummer. The ferry's canceled, so we're gonna have to go the other way.
What? Where does it say that? On
Canceled sailings. July 23rd. Due to staffing challenges, all sailings after 12 p.m. will be canceled for the remainder of the operational day.
Is it the 23rd? Yeah.
Yes, it is. Well, we made it back to the campsite unscathed, and it is beer 30. Today is beer 30, not rum 30. Beer 30. Banana bread beer. Stuff. Yeah, baby. Beer 30. Oh, God.
Does it taste like banana bread?
Smell it.
That smells really good.
Right? Have to say, this is actually pretty good. I had my doubts when I picked it up, but yeah, Eagle Brewing, it's good.
Do you have a hole in your slurp? Oh no.
Hun, freezy.
The Slurpee. She's slurping it. I don't know. Not yet.
That's funny. All right, I'll see you guys later. Up by a Good stuff. She made it. All right, gonna eat this up. See you later. Hey everyone. So that was an awesome dinner. So I think I'm just gonna close it out here. And yeah, I think we're just gonna chill out. We're both really tired. We've been busy since we got here. So I think we're just gonna chill out, drink some beer, and have a fire. All right, I'll see you later.